Alright guys, a while back I did an unboxing on this kind of cool battery bank, and as you can see here, it's very well put together. It is beautiful in every possible way, and when it's running, it runs fantastically well. But as you guys know, sometimes I like to give people gifts, and I gave this one away to a friend, and unfortunately it turns out that it broke somehow, or something is not going on. So they returned it back, and because I always prefer, if I give you a gift and it stops working, whatever it is, just give it back to me, and I will try to figure out what's wrong with it. Is it broken? Whatever it is that may be malfunctioning, and I can see right now there may be some kind of lines going on in there. Anyway, I can't really tell how to open this up. So what we'll do instead is we'll do a tear down, and we're going to try to figure out how to open it with a soldering iron. Anyway, it's going to happen in the next video. But
Likey.